Hello and welcome to a new video, and welcome back to Cockfosters. It's about 6:05 in the evening, so I'm just starting. The reason I'm bringing you along with me today is because in theory I should be doing Down Street tonight. Obviously it won't be a POV video, but we can have a look at the sidings if we end up down there, which I have done before, but we'll do it again and we'll see what happens. So first part of today is from here down to Acton Town for a break. So it's a short first half, long second. So I pick up in about 8 minutes, but we've got what we call a stock and crew to do. Which means basically I'm swapping trains with another driver, but the train I want is about, or was when I checked, about 5 minutes behind my original one. We'll see anyway when they come in. So if you've watched my last video, my last train video, you know I'm suffering with man flu. But we'll get through the day. So yeah, the plan is, well, according to the duty, here to Acton, have a break, Acton, T4, Acton, what we call a step back, and then Acton, Honest Grove, empty to Down Street, Oakwood. But that can get cancelled, so we'll see what happens. So that's the train that I would have wanted, 340. We've got to wait for 357 to come in to swap over, so that driver will take this train, I'll take their train, and then we'll change the numbers over so that I'm still driving 340 down to Acton. If that makes sense. Makes sense to me anyway, so I suppose that's all that matters. Hopefully this is my other train. And it's not. So my train's here now. We're due to depart now. But we've still got a red signal. And I'm not running down there because I'll break my neck. Although the station departure boards are still showing the train in the middle platform, which was my original one, as departing on time and to T5, which is what I'm doing. So I think there's been a mistake somewhere, or the boards are wrong, who knows. But I'm where I'm told to be, so I know no one can shout at me. Right, well I'll see you guys, you lot, down at Acton. So we made it to Acton Town. I'm going to have a break now, and then we'll consider doing some more work. Well, well, it's time to go and wait for a train. We're heading down to T4 next, back to here, and then we'll do what we call a step back, which I think I've got about 35 minutes then for my last train. So we'll see how we get on. My train should be the next one in, which will make it about 1 minute late, but we'll cope with that. Here we are, Terminal 4, out of here in about 6 minutes time. Back to Acton Town. We made it back to Acton Town. Oh. I don't think I've ever brought you up here. Well, we'll have a look at some trains in a little bit. I think I've got about a half hour for my next train. that knocking sound you can hear, assuming it's picked it up, that's flats on the train. So my train should be the next one in, and it's Arnos Grove in service, down to Down Street, out of service and back in service to Oakwood, and stop at Turnham Green going on the east. So we're at Arnos Grove. I'm detrained. I'm going to turn the lights out, and then I'm going to call the signallers, see if we can run early down to Down Street so that we're not sat behind another train. So we're in Down Street. You can get another train further back, but there's a fixed train stop. You probably can't see it down there. We'd have to trip past it to go down there. I was going to walk down the outside of the train. There's not much space, but there's some old bits of rail down there and things, so rather than risk breaking my neck, I walk through the train. So whilst I'm down here, I need to do, I need to see if they want me to do the radio alarm test. I did mention that in my last train video. I was meant to do it at Finsbury Park, which at the time recording this was a couple of days ago. Obviously it might be a week or more from when I upload it. So from here it's back to Oakwood in service and then stable. So we've got a double-ended unit here. You're used to these by now. And yeah, little poppy they put on every year. That's it. If in doubt, kick it. Works the same with people, I think you'll find. Anyway. So apologies, I'm not my usual chirpy self, as I probably look like death. I really need to take better care of myself, get more sleep and all that, but anyway, what can you do? Got to keep London moving. Got the radio alarm test, so I've called them, they want me to do it. So what I've done is the handle, I've let go of it. In a minute, roughly 1 minute, you'll hear the alarm go off. I'm gonna leave you just there for a minute. So after about 1 minute, if I don't press the handle, it'll send an alarm. So this will stop in a minute. There you go. I'm going to put you back in here, and this is what will happen.
It's 41746 on the west 4173 line, is that correct, over? Thanks very much for that, control.
So what it's done is sent like a distress alarm to control. Here we go.
Piccadilly control and conducting a test of the public address system on train 222. I'll call you back shortly if you'll need calm on the control.
That's all there is to it. The idea of that is if the driver was to become incapacitated, and once they let go of the handle, the control could then, obviously they would try and contact us. If they couldn't, they could make a passenger announcement to all passengers that help's on his way, etc. So, I need to move up just there. There's a plunger there, I need to plunge, and then I'll be heading off to the left. Up to Oakwood, so I will see you when we get up there. So we're at Oakwood, we're detrained, and I think I've got the signal into the depot. So let's go stable. So that's me stabled. I'm going to wait for my colleague. She should be stabling on here. I won't mention her name because she might not want me to, but her and her family all watch me, so hello to all of you. So I moved the train when I was in down street sidings to plunge. Once I plunged, I thought I'm going to be cheeky. I'm going to call the signaller and see if there's any chance of running early. So I called him up. They didn't answer, but about a minute or so later they just gave me the shunt to leave, which means I've actually stabled about 15 minutes early. So it's nice to get away a little bit earlier, and I've still done what they needed me to do. So now all I've got to do is walk out of here and then drive home. It took me 2 hours to get home last night due to a broken down vehicle in the roadworks at St Neots. So hopefully tonight won't be quite so bad, but I'll probably be home 2:30, 3:15, I guess, because I've got a couple of road closures that I know of. So anyway, other than that, I shall say good night. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.